So we all know that when something which we deem as unfair happens to us, it can cause anger. We all have at one point or another faced an experience or a situation that aggravated us and fundamentally transformed the way that we felt from one moment to the next, that literally jolted us from one state of being to another. Within a matter of seconds, we were catapulted, so to speak, from a state of composure and equanimity to a state of complete anxiety or rage. So my question is, can the opposite also be true? Can an experience of such effect, such impact, and such influence and gravity have an inverse effect? Can we flex our emotional muscles to such a degree that not only are we not put down by such an experience, but that we are uplifted, launched upwards, elevated, promoted in our character structure? Can we shift our perception in such a way that we meet the world not with caution or apprehension, but instead with curiosity and anticipation? Research shows that we can. In medical sciences, this process is called building the cellular memory. Harvard Medical School defines cellular memory as a sustained cellular response to a transient stimulus. Basically, this means that when a cell experiences a specific stimulus, it will react in a certain way, and then this reaction is learned and memorized. So now every time it is given that stimulus, it will have the same response. The most astonishing and undeniable evidence of cellular memory can be found in cases of organ transplant, where organ recipients awaken the next day after having received the transplant with the memories, feelings, and even the cravings of their donors. In forensics, they are now even using cellular memory to identify the killers of the organ donors. The theory of cellular memory states that not only our memories, but also our personality traits are not only stored in the brain, but stored in our cells, our organs. So knowing this, knowing that we can infuse and engineer ourselves with specific memories and behaviors, makes me wonder, can we reverse engineer them too? Can we rewrite, recode them? Not only with new memories, but with a new set of tools, set of filters or processes that can help us recontextualize our experiences in the future so that they become empowering instead of disturbing, uplifting instead of aggravating, enlivening instead of agitating. One helpful filter that I recommend, specifically when it comes to anger-inducing experiences, is curiosity. What if instead of demonizing our anger, or projecting it even worse onto the other, or brushing it off as a temporary thing, what if we became curious about it? What about this situation is making me insecure? Why am I suddenly sensitive? Is there a place where I'm not speaking my truth? Is there somewhere I'm not standing up for myself? What if we asked ourselves such questions? The more that you learn to become curious, the more that you practice to rewrite reactivity with self-inquiry, the quicker that you learn to ask questions, and the more honest that you become with your answers, the less anger you will feel, the less anger your cells will memorize, and the more that you will learn to flex your curiosity muscle instead of anger muscles. This is self-engineering at its best, emotional fitness at its finest. This is true emotional freedom.